Hey, you guys, welcome back. Looks familiar? Yes. Well, I am actually kicking off today's video with, I'm so excited. Y'all excited? I'm excited too. I'm always excited, but guess who I'm kicking it off with? Especially with the pink background. I wonder if y'all know. Do y'all know? All right, I'll break it to you. I know suspense is killing y'all. Ready? Ta-da! Mielle Organics. Yes, I am trying Mielle Organics, and I am doing a twist out with them. And then sometime in the future, I will be doing a wash and go with them. Okay, but this is Mielle. I got this box on Black Friday. All right, and I'm going to show you all the lovely products inside. We're going to do a quick unboxing because I'm limited on time here with my camera. So we're going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. All right, so let me just open this down here because I don't want everything just to go flying out of my arms. And these are all the contents in the box. I'm going to show you one by one. So if you can't see, oh, here goes the box. I'm going to show you all the contents, but so far here's in the box. And I got all of these products for basically $5 and change. You can't go wrong. I think it was like they were having a 60 or 70% off. It was really high, or 80% off, something like that. I can't do math right now, but all right. But I'm going to show you guys quickly the products we have, and then I'm going to go into more detail with them, especially as time goes on for the review. Okay, so let's get started. So my first product that I have is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo. So I got this, and it's also sulfate free, caters to type 4 hair. In fact, this whole series is dedicated to type 4 hair, I think. I have to say it smells really good, but the only drawback I have to this is that the pump was faulty. So, and I didn't see this in hindsight when I went to take back the leave-in, but I'll explain that briefly in a minute. But you see that I got this, and look, when I went to unscrew it, because I like to unscrew it before I use the pumps, and you can see it's kind of traveling up. Yeah, so I thought it was just me, but a lot of people have complained about the issues with the pump. So I don't know if Mielle will maybe go ahead and try to fix their pump problem. But yeah, but so far it smells really nice, and all the products smell the same. But here's the shampoo. Next up in order that I'm going to use is the conditioner. So the moisturizing and detangling conditioner. And I was like, wait a minute, why am I wasting my time and getting a rinse out? But it's actually, you can use it kind of as a deep one. So you can leave it on for 10-15 minutes. So definitely I'm going to use this, and I want to see how this works and if this has great slip or not. So stay tuned for that in the video as well. And I'm now going to use my leave-in conditioner. So this is the final step. Now, you're wondering what's going on with this, right? But I'll show you in a minute. So I have this one. This is the one they sent me originally. And what happened, the pump had broken off when I got it. So I called them, and Mielle was so nice and fixed it free of charge. So tell them what's wrong, and as long as you do it promptly and respectfully, they will exchange it, no questions asked. So definitely. But I have this one, but they sent me out the replacement, and the replacement is this one. So, but I found out that, hey, I dropped things behind me. Okay. So I found out that, hey, when I'm probably done with this, then I can just switch the pumps over, and I'll still have that leave-in. So it saves me money too. So great. Yay. All right. Now, so next up I have the twisting souffle, and the twisting souffle is what I'm going to be doing the twist out with. So this will be the little handy dandy twisting souffle. I'm just going to open it up kind of quickly and see how the texture is. I never really saw the texture too much. But yeah, see that? It's kind of, I don't know what to make of it. It's like, it's light, it looks light and thick at the same time. I mean, it's thick, like it's not going anywhere, but I don't know what to make of it. Smells great though. But yeah, this is the twisting souffle. This is going to be the star of the show, at least for the twist out. At least I would hope. Can you focus? There you go. So I hope this works. I really hope this works. Okay, and next up, well, there's actually two things that I'm not going to use. Okay, next up, there's two things I'm not going to use. And they're going to be for the wash and go. So the first thing that I'm not going to use, just real quick, is the curl refreshing spray. Now, I don't know if I will use this in the wash and go, but maybe I will use it post wash and go maybe, and see how it refreshes my curls throughout the week. So here it is right here, the curl refreshing spray by Mielle, okay? And then the last product we have is the curl sculpting custard. So I think this will be my main feature for the wash and go. I would use everything else that was mentioned before, but definitely take out the twisting souffle and add these two for the wash and go. All right. Yeah, but guys, that's pretty much it. So I'm excited. And for the price point, it wasn't bad. You know, Black Friday, Mielle had a blowout sale and it was amazing as far as that goes. But let's see if the products really live up to my expectations. I heard a lot of people having mixed reviews about it. Some people were pleased with it and a lot of people weren't. But I just hope that maybe I'm in that minority that it was pleasing. I'm always hopeful, but you know, hey, with product reviews, we never know what's gonna happen, right? But you guys, stay tuned for the video. And yeah, we're gonna have some Mielle fun, okay? All right, see y'all in a bit. All right, bye.